Welcome everyone to another Magic the Gathering Innistrad Midnight Hunt pre-release pack opening. Let's open up and see what we got inside. Hopefully you've all opened up your packs and were excited to get what you wanted and or were happy to go to a nearby store near you and play the pre-release. Let's start off when I got a nice blue dice. Our foil is a Patrician Geist. Their spirits get +1. You cast from your graveyard, cost 1 less. Very nice foil. Alright. So pack numero uno. Let's see what we get. We will start off with a Celestus Sanctifier, Component Collector, Crawl from the Cellar. We have Timberland Guide, Hedgewitch Mask, Devious Cover-Up, Burn the Accursed, Immolation, Sungal Barrage, Tireless Holler, Foul Play, Thermo Alchemist, a Death Bonnet Sprout. Our rare is Sigarda's Splendor. Enters the battlefield, note your life total, begin your upkeep, draw a card if your life total is greater or equal to, and then you note your life total. Whenever you cast a white spell, gain a life. Very nice card. We have a Plains, a Devil, and a token. Alright, let's head on to our next pack and see what's in here. Let's see if this is the pack with the Mythic. Vampire Interloper. We have a Duel for Dominance, Pax Betrayal, Shipwreck Sifters, No Way Out, Famish Foragers, Eaten Alive, Cathar's Commando, Tavern Ruffian, Dissipate, Witherhorn Blessing, Bereaved Survivor, and our rare is Wake to Slaughter. Nice. We have a Swamp, a Foil Hoppling Zombie, and a Bat. Look at the cute bat. We'll put these cards away. Head on to the next pack opening. Alrighty, we have a Bramble Armor, a Stuffed Bear, Falcon Abomination, Blade Brand, Tapping at the Window, Festival Crasher, Shadow Beast Sighting, Search Party Captain, Lunarch Veteran, Gavany Dawnguard. Interesting. Borrowed Time, Slow Things Down, Blade Stitch Scab. Our rare is Malevolent Hermit. Sacrifice, counter target non-creature spell unless they pay 2. The Disturb is Benevolent Geist. Non-creature you control can't be countered. Interesting. We have a Island. Ooh, check this out. Sarith the Viper's Fang, foil rare. We have a Clue and our other token. Those very nice cards. Let's head on to the next pack and open it up. Open it up. Alright, and here we have Electric Revelation, Storm Rider Spirit, Duress, Might of the Old Ways, Crossroads Candle. We have a Flip the Switch, Lambhold Harrier, Locked into Cemetery, Gavany Trapper, Ecstatic Awakener, Fading Hope, Lunar Frenzy, Spell Rune Painter. Our rare is Willowgeist. More cards leave your graveyard, put a counter, dies, gain life, go to his power. Interesting. We have a Forest and some other stuff. Alright, 2 packs remaining. Let's see what this pack offers us. We start off with a Morkrat Behemoth, a Candlelit Cavalry, Soul Guide Griff, Consider, Siege Zombo, Plummet, Arden Elementalist, Dawnheart Rejuvenator, Gavany Silversmith, a Glade Drifter, Necrosynthesis, Unnatural Moonrise, Flame Channeler, and our rare is Haunted Ridge. We have a island and our tokens. Let's move on to the final pack of this pre-release. We have a Howl of the Hunt, Abandon the Post, Geist Wave, Arrogant Outlaw, Return to Nature, Raise the Effigy, Revenge of the Drowned, Ritual Guardian, Baithhook Angler, Arcane Infusion, Grisly Ghoul, Baneblade Scoundrel, and our rare is Tricadecaphile. We have a Plains, a Foil Return to Nature, and our tokens. Thank you for joining this pre-release pack opening. Stay tuned for the next.